What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we do our intros. As you can see, there was a bit of construction in the neighborhood there, and the shimmy was going real slow like. A lot of back and forth lately about boots, wearing high tops, you know. Personally, I wear my boots, got my boots on. But how do you guys ride? What do you guys wear? Put in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about people wearing regular tennis shoes and shit while riding? You think they're safe? You think their ankles are safe, or do you think they're gonna break their ankles like a good old game of basketball? So we're also going to be looking at helmets here soon. The little visor switch on top broke because I dropped my helmet the other day. So we'll definitely take some suggestions and whatnot down in the comment section on helmets. What do you guys wear? What have you found to be the most comfortable while riding? You know, wind noise is a huge thing as well with the moto vlogging and everything. What I do know I want is a pin lock, because I'm so tired of it. My helmet fogging up all the time. It's annoying as we got a FedEx truck right here. You know what? We'll go in this lane. We should have followed the FedEx man. So to talk about a little bit of what's going on in the background, I'm going to be starting a new job here shortly, and I am very excited for that. Be starting a new journey, a new career with some great folks. We're going to be starting our career of an apprentice RV technician, and I'm very excited. I went to college, attended Bates for their automotive tech program, and really enjoyed that. So we're gonna finally throw ourselves into this career path. It's gonna be good. I've been doing security for about a year and a half now, and it's been all right work. The pay hasn't been too good, to be honest. But the site that I'm currently at, there's great people there, great work environment. Really enjoy it. This is a fun road when there's nobody else on it. Bang, bada, bang, bang, bang. I don't know if you guys can hear that. almost made the light. This guy's got the highway bars, crash bar, well, not really crash bars, but engine guards. It's also got the guards on the rear. To protect the hard bags we got in the back. Holy shit, motherfucker. Had to be this motherfucker. God, that me in the leg. God. Pretty sure it was that motherfucker through that firework. That hit me in the leg too. That fucking hurt. God damn, I got singe marks on my pants and shit. I was literally gonna I thought somebody threw a fucking cigarette out and it was gonna catching shit on fire. Alrighty, everybody. Well, that's another fucking day in the life of Chops riding with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Fuck whoever threw that goddamn big ass firework, exploded and fucking hit me in the leg. Anyways, peace out. Have a great one. Thanks for joining me. Till next time.